In today's video, we will see how to fix the DirecTV remote volume not working, TV code setup, remote programming guide. So to fix your DirecTV remote volume, first verify the remote is properly paired with your TV or sound setting. Next, try replacing the batteries, programming the remote to the device or perform a factory reset. Next, the fix one. You can program the volume control. So your remote may have lost connection to the TV audio settings or speaker system. So using the settings, if you have a DirecTV Gemini or streaming box, you can navigate to home, setting, system and remote and devices. Now program your remote and switch volume control, select TV or your specific speaker system. Next, on-screen prompt. If a prompt appears on the screen asking you to set it up, follow the direction and select your specific TV or sound system brand. Next, the fix to factory reset the remote. So if the remote is unresponsive, resetting it to a factory settings clear out error. So press and hold the mute and select buttons at the same time until the green light at the top flashes twice. Now using the number pad, you can press 960, then green light should flash twice again. Now slide the mode switch at the top of the DirecTV logo. Next, fix 3. Check hardware and batteries. So flash batteries, even if the remote flashes, weak batteries can prevent IR signals from properly adjusting the TV volume. Now power cycle the remote. So remove the batteries and press every button on the remote a few times to clear stuck button contact. Reinstall the batteries. Next, the fix 4. Reset the DirecTV receiver. Sometimes the issue is not the remote itself, but the receiver not processing the signal correctly. So locate the red reset button, usually on the side of the receiver or inside the access card door. Now press and hold the buttons for 10 seconds, then allow the receiver to completely reboot. Goodbye, thanks for watching.